Let's learn how you can easily add videos to your Instagram notes. This is a new feature that Instagram rolled out in its recent update. So the first thing that we have to do is to go over to our App Store if you are on your iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you are an Android user, and simply check if the Instagram application is updated to the latest version. If it says Update right here, click on that button and wait a couple of minutes until the latest version of Instagram is installed. The next thing is to open the Instagram app, and we will go over to our DM messages in order to create a new note. You are going to see that we can add the music, and we also have a little camera icon. If you don't see the camera icon, then the feature probably isn't available for your region yet. What you can do is to regularly update the Instagram application, and they will eventually roll out this Notes video feature for your region and your account. Let's add the video. When we click on the little camera icon, it's going to open our front camera where we can record ourselves. The video will only last a couple of seconds, so keep that in mind. When you record the video, it will then create a little boomerang which will play in your Instagram notes. The video will stay there instead of your profile picture for a period of 24 hours. And that's it, everyone. That's how we can easily add videos to our Instagram notes. If you have any questions or suggestions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.